3,000 burpees in 30 days, 100 burpees every single. So post lockdown, my entire fitness thing went for a toss. I was eating a lot, cooking, seeing all these fantastic videos, being shared on social media by my friends. I wasn't able to maintain the kind of fitness lifestyle I had pre-lockdown. So I joined a couple of groups. We used to work out in the evening every day, but then I was kind of not feeling very challenged. So I thought of doing something and seeing its effect post-lockdown. For me, at that point of time, I thought that the lockdown would end after 30 days. So I thought that, I would see the effects after 30 days. That's why the only exercise which I could think of, which is the most challenging form of any exercise on this earth, made on this earth, I thought of taking up burpees. So burpees are not new to me. I was introduced to burpees few years back when I was attempting my world record. I hold the Limca record in doing maximum burpees in a minute, which is 46, and that also happens to be a world record. And perhaps that's the reason why I already had an idea how challenging this exercise is, how it puts your entire body into drill, your core, your cardio system, etc. And this would give me the desired results which I want. I started doing my research as to different forms of burpees, because there are various variations of burpees which you can do along with modifications. The ones which I used to do before were with push-ups, but since the number of burpees I had to do over here were more, I had to stick to something which is called basic burpees, in which either when you get up, you release your hands in the air, or you just jump. I'm a big foodie, and there is nothing in this world that I could give up food for. And especially when people are putting these really tempting videos and photographs and food challenges up, so there is always a fear that even I have to make it and I have to eat it. And that's perhaps also one of the general rules which I follow otherwise as well. I eat everything, no matter whatever. I don't follow these starving diets and energy bar diets and keto diets or any form of diet. I eat everything, and I totally believe in burning it out. So as you can see, my body got really defined. It got chiseled, the abs got a little more prominent. There was a lot of inch loss, and I always believe in inch loss rather than weight loss, because you lose a lot of fat and you gain a lot of muscles. So I definitely lost a lot of inches. My body and my posture got better than before. The sculpting happened on point. Technically, the best thing which happened because of doing burpees every single day was that my muscular and my cardio endurance got better. And that is because there is no other exercise that I could think of pushes your anaerobic range to such an extreme limit. Your respiratory and your cardio system is constantly made to work hard to compensate for the lack of oxygen. Notice that my resting heart rate, the rate at which your heart beats while it is at rest, when you are not doing any form of rigorous physical activity, improved. So a normal HRR, the resting heart rate, for an adult should be between 60 to 100, while for a well-trained athlete ranges between 40 to 55. My HRR improved from being in the average category to an excellent category. There was an increase in my stamina, my ability to do a lot of physical activities like running, doing a lot of other cardiovascular activities. For example, my average running pace really improved after doing burpees. Hey guys, so before you push yourself into the same challenge, there are a few things which I would want to remind you of and take care of. The first one is the posture, the pose, the form has to be correct. For example, don't arch your back too much. The second one is keep deep breathing on. It's very important. Third one is, whenever you are doing burpees, make sure that you're not doing it directly on a marble surface or directly on the floor. You have some shock absorbing surface, maybe a yoga mat or maybe a carpet on which you do the burpees. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I would challenge each and everyone who's watching this video and who's willing to, of course, take it up. And do keep me posted with your transformation and with your updates. And